Hello class, this is a video tutorial on single variable data analysis. In this video, we'll be looking at calculating the mean from frequency tables. I hope we already know that the average of the data set is known as the mean, and it's calculated by dividing the sum of the data by the number of individual scores. So here we have three different tables. One is a group table and two are just regular frequency tables. And we're going to be looking at calculating the mean of each data set. So here we go. In order to calculate the mean more efficiently, rather than saying 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, because there are four 2s, so we can write this as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and then 3 5 times, so 5, etc. As you can see, this will take a very long time. An easier way for us to calculate this, what we do is we extend our table to have what's known as an fx table. Fx. And all this is the multiplication of the score and its frequency. In this case, fx here is going to be 8. By the way, the reason why it's called fx is because our score is x and our frequency is f. And we multiply the two, we get fx. Now let's multiply all of these. We get 3 times 5, 15, 4 times 7, 28, 45, 24, and 14. Now what we also need is the total of each column. So we're going to extend it again further, and we're going to be calculating the total of each. So the total number of frequency tells us how many numbers there are in this data set. So 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 4 plus 2. There are a total of 31 scores. And the total of all the scores is the sum of this column here. So 8, 15, 28, 45, 24, and 14. So this is going to be a total of, oops, it stopped here. Let's try this one again. 8, 15, 28, 45, 24, and 14. There we go. This is a total of 134. Now to calculate the mean, we take the grand total of 134 and we divide it by 31. So 134 divided by 31. So this gives us a mean of 4.3228. We're just going to round this off to 2 decimal places for this one. Let's do another example. You can go ahead, try this yourselves, because I'm just going to continue answering these, and you can check yourselves the answers afterwards. Here we go. Let's extend our table. Let's get the fx table going. 25 times 3, 75. 26 by 8, 208. 27 times 2, it's 54. And 28 times 1 is 28. Adding all these together, we get 14. And adding all of these together, we should get 75, 208 plus 28. This gives me, should be a plus there. It's not adding all together. Let me try again. 75, 208, 54, 28. All in one line, that's 363. So the mean is we take the total, 363 divided by 14. So 363 divided by 14. That gives us a mean of 25.92857. And when we round this off to 2 decimal places, we get 25.93. We have one more example here. This time we have a group frequency table. Now, how we answer this is we actually require what's known as the group center. Okay, so let me actually move this across. We need the center of the group. That means between 0 and 9, what is in the absolute middle between 0 and 9. So if we write this out, it's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if we find the middle, we're left with in between 4 and 5. So the absolute middle between here is 4.5. If we were to do the same thing for each of these, between 10 and 19, we're actually going to get 14.5 as our group center. This will be 24.5, 34.5, and this will be 44.5. So this class center is treated as our X, and our frequency is F. And we use that class center as the multiplier for our Fx column. Let's grab our table here. 4.5 times 2, this is Fx. 4.5 times 2 is 9. 14.5 times 5 is 72.5. 24.5 times 5 is 122.5, and so on. 276 times 11 is 489.5. Now we're going to take the sum of the frequencies. So 2, 5, 8, I missed the 5, 11. There are a total of 31 scores. And adding up our Fx, 9 plus 72.5 plus 122.5 plus 276 plus 489.5. This gives us a total of 969.5. Now, lastly, to get the mean of this, we take the total, 969.5, and we divide this by 31. Using our calculator, 969 divided by 31. That gives us a mean of 31.27419, which rounds off to 31.27. So I hope that gave you an insight into calculating the mean from a frequency table. Hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck.